Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing the LG SP7R 7.1 channel high-res audio soundbar with rear speaker kit. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. The LG SP7R soundbar is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to enhancing your audio experience. With its 7.1 channel setup, this soundbar provides full surround sound that will make you feel like you're in the middle of the action. Whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or listening to your favorite music, the sound quality is crisp, rich, and immersive. One of the most exciting features of this soundbar is its high-resolution audio. It supports high-res audio formats, delivering more detail and clarity in sound. The sound is not just loud, but also incredibly clear, allowing you to hear every note, voice, and sound effect with stunning precision. Whether you're listening to music or watching an action movie, the clarity is incredible. The rear speaker kit included with this setup is a game changer. It provides the extra depth and surround sound effect that immerses you in the content, creating a theater-like experience in the comfort of your own home. These rear speakers work seamlessly with the main soundbar, giving you a 360-degree sound experience that enhances the overall audio quality. Another great feature is the AI Sound Pro technology, which automatically optimizes sound based on the content you're watching. Whether it's a dramatic movie scene, an action-packed game, or a relaxing music session, the sound adjusts to provide the best audio quality for every situation. The LG SP7R soundbar is also equipped with Dolby Atmos and DTS support, which are both incredible for elevating the sound to new heights. These technologies create a more immersive experience by delivering more dynamic and layered sound. You'll hear sounds coming from all directions, making everything you watch or listen to feel more lifelike. With easy Bluetooth connectivity, you can stream music from your phone or other devices directly to the soundbar, giving you even more versatility. The sleek design of the SP7R also blends well with most modern TV setups, so it not only sounds amazing but looks great too. Overall, the LG SP7R 7.1 channel high-res audio soundbar with rear speaker kit is a fantastic addition to any home entertainment system. If you're looking to upgrade your audio and want to experience high-quality sound with immersive surround capabilities, this soundbar is the way to go. It offers great sound, easy setup, and a sleek design, all at an affordable price. Don't miss out. Click the link below to grab this awesome soundbar at the best price today. You won't regret it.